Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to delete any channel on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, friends, and also please put your likes under this video and write your comments. So, let's go ahead and get started. And if you would like to unsubscribe from any YouTube channel, it's very easy to do that. First of all, please open the YouTube app on your device. And then you'll need to go to the Channels section. Next, tap All. Here you will be able to see all the channels that you are subscribed to. Next, so that you can unsubscribe, go to the channel you don't like. Now click on this button here. Next, select the Unsubscribe section at the bottom. So friends, you will unsubscribe from a certain channel, and for future videos from that channel, they won't bother you anymore, and you won't get any notifications about news from that channel. In this way, you will kind of delete it. Dear friends, I really hope the video helped you. You saw how you can delete any channel on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write comments and put your likes. See you, friends.